everybody, today I want to show you how to download wallpaper Yes HD. Okay, so you see this is my wallpaper. Yes, you see it's so good HD wallpaper. So first you go to setting, you find this application wallpapers for me. Yeah, this application you can find at App Store. Yeah, right, App Store, and then you click search. Yeah, click search, and then you write wallpaper for me. Yeah, you just write it. Yeah, wallpaper for me, and you click this, and then you see, yeah, this application wallpaper and theme. Yeah, you see this wallpaper and theme for me, but me, I'm already to download. I'm just open, and for you just click get to download. Yeah, I'm already to download. Yeah, over here I'm just click open. When I open, you see this. Yeah, it's all a wallpaper HD. Yeah, example, I want to download this. Oh no. Oh Lord. So I want to click this animal. Yes, good. Don't touch my iPhone. Okay, and this is good. This the same. Yeah, I want to click this. You just click one, and then you see save. Yeah, you click save over here. Your wallpaper was saved at photo or to photo. Yeah, I download one more, save one more, and this add. Yeah, this add. You click this. I download one more. Yeah, this wallpaper. I'm just click save. Yeah, wallpaper was saved to photo. Yeah, now you open at photo. Yeah, here. Yeah, you see two more. Yeah, don't touch my iPhone. And this wallpaper HD also. Yeah, so good wallpaper. If I want to use at home screen and lock screen, you just click this. Yeah, and then use as wallpaper. Yeah, I click set and set board. Okay, good home screen. Yes, okay, very good. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you like this video. Yeah, subscribe for more. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.